Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. So yeah, it's Garsedale Head Viaduct. Alright girls, so I've not done this one. Don't stray off the path. Chance of werewolves again. This is my drug, that.
Like and subscribe.
Welcome back. I've done my 40s. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. I did look it up, I can't remember what it's called. I'll put some on the screen, tell you what it's all about. But yeah, look at this. Go quiet when I'm concentrating, sorry. I do on lanes that I don't know. At home I'm not really, it's not really a problem because I know most of it, and you just like sort of zone out to think exactly where you're going to, which path you're going to take, and which route. Yeah, apparently this YouTubing like's all dead easy. Oh yeah. Oh dear. No need for this. Look at that, I went from 2 to 1. And all I got was neutral. Well, I didn't expect that there. That was a bit, oh dear, what's all this about? Yeah. It's just one of those things, isn't it? You've just got to do it. Excuse me. Not worse. Loose gravel going down. I don't mind loose gravel going up because you can do, but I don't know, it's just weird. I'd rather have it probably bigger than this little tiny stuff because it's dead unpredictable. You just don't know what it's going to do. Look at this. Bit of a drainage calvert, what they would call it, isn't it? Another one. Yeah. Not the hardest of lanes, but odd place, a little bit testing. Get around this corner now. It'll be gnarly as buggy, I'll have to turn down and go back. Yeah, so it looks like they get some little water through here. It's just that loose. It being so dry, there's even less. There's even less grip underneath this than it would be if it was wet, because the soil underneath would move slightly, and it doesn't. Well, it does, but it's all dry and it just like skates on it. Well, no, sorry, it doesn't move underneath. It's just morning. And it's probably slippier now than it is probably in the winter. Because the ground doesn't move underneath the stones. Where does this go? Yeah, Lady something Lane. Lady is Bowler, something like that, I can't remember. Up to now, 18 degrees. Feels a bit warmer than 18, which is weird. Yeah. Behind Mr. Farmer now with tractor. So far, I don't think. So not a lot of people use it. No, they know where they're going. Which way the bread's buttered on. There's our mate going. Got an auction light on, there seems to be a lot of farmers about. Somewhere just round here, there's a good castle, Southgill. Yeah, and all remains of a castle. Here, I think it is, just outside here. It's not far away. Oh, there it is, right in front of us. We're going to stop driving at the middle of the road. Ask him or not. What trial was that? Living around here. How do you do it in the middle of winter when it's snowing? You can't get out. You'd have to have some provisions, wouldn't you? Oh, there it is. I don't know what it's called. I've been up here before, like, but stuff you probably wouldn't have seen. Yeah. I'll put some info on that on whatever it is. I can't remember what it is. I would have stopped if I didn't have to. Maybe tractor would have passed me again, wouldn't it? And passed him again and doing everything. Anyway, so yeah, bit of Lady Bowler's Lane or something it's called. If you enjoyed that, don't forget, give us a big thumbs up. Thank you very much. If you just stumbled across us again, please consider subscribe. It's free, won't charge you. And if you're riding out there, don't forget, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. We'll see you soon. I remember this now. And it's so scenic, this place. All the way to bloody Horse, and you miss all this. Look at it. They put all this on to stop the jippos camping when they're going to Appleby. That's what all that's for. Because it's en route, Kirby Stephen. That's what it's all about. I don't know whereabouts the train track went. Somewhere up this side. Maybe it's up there still. Down here. Possibly some of this could have been an old Roman road, couldn't it? You know how straight it is. I'll tell you what, the first time in quite some years that I've had a face visor full of insects. Now I don't know why, because I've never really had. For a number of years, a visor full of insects. Go on mate, get over. But, this year, I was out yesterday for about 35 mile on bobber. It was covered. Where are we at now? Nateby. Is there an abbey here? Nateby Abbey, I can't remember. It's just outside Kirby Stephen, this one. If you go that way through Nateby, we did that the other week. Steady. Whoa! You're looking through there. You go right over the top, over to Reeth, and end up Buttertubs Pass. And if you come out of Buttertubs Pass just by Hawes, carry across the road up through Gale, past Gale Mill, which was Guy Martin, remember? And carrying up over there, you end up down into near Grassington, the road from Grassington, from beautiful. No cars on it, nobody's about, brilliant. It's not single track roads neither. It's roads aren't too bad. But yeah, this is Kirby Stephen. Backside of Kirby Stephen. Because on the other side of Kirby, on the road going into Kirby Stephen, there's cars parked, isn't there? And you got to wait for the traffic. And on this side of it, there's no. Great. So I'll have to put now the outro that we did back there on the end of this. So anyway, I'll see you in a bit.
Like and subscribe.